Hello, Elvis. Look who's doing good. Look who's doing good. It's Elvis and his housemates, Wheeze. Hey, Wheeze. Hello. Oh, my goodness. And Baby. Hey, Baby. Hi, my love. Hello. And they board with us frequently. They're doing very well. They're all eating well, voiding normally. No problems to report with any of these guys. Baby. Hello. Hello, my love. Hello. Yes. Oh, he's my old man. He's my old man. He's Elvis. And Weezer. Weezer. Oh, yeah. Who's a good old boy? You are. My little girl. My little girl baby. Baby. Yes, you're my girl. You're my girl. Alright guys, say hi to Mom. Say hi.